This video covers where you can access free themes for your online store. Start by clicking Online Store in your Shopify admin. You can view what theme is published at the top of the page in the Current Theme area. While you are only able to publish one theme at a time, you can browse more themes available by scrolling down. By clicking Explore Free Themes, you will see the selection of themes developed by Shopify. When you choose a Shopify-developed theme, it means that it is both free and supported by Shopify should you have any questions. You can click on a theme to see more features and styles available. For example, the Minimal theme has 3 different styles: modern, vintage, and fashion. You can select each one individually to preview what it looks like. In this example, click Add Minimal to add this theme. The new theme will be added to your admin, but it will not replace the current published theme. To read more about Shopify-created themes, click the Learn More About Themes link at the bottom of the page. This will open a new tab that directs you to Shopify's Help Center. From the newly opened page, you can read more about how themes work, or you can type in the theme title you have chosen. For example, by typing Minimal into the search bar and opening the article, you will see more details about the theme's features, dimensions, and sections. You can view the same details for all free Shopify themes on the left-hand side. If you have any questions or need assistance editing your free Shopify theme, you can contact support directly. Explore the different themes available and see what works best for the brand you're creating.